Hi guys, today we're going to do another pack opening. So let's just get right into it. So before we do this, I have duplicates. I have 850k worth and 1,541 duplicates. As you can see, I have 2 checks, 2 De Bruynes, 1 Ronaldo, a Hamshik, Aspilicueta, Bozagli, and just loads of 84 rateds. So, oh yeah guys, if you didn't check out my last pack opening, we got 110 views, which I'm really happy about. So thank you guys, keep viewing and drop a like if you're new around here. So yeah, so these are my cards that I've packed. So yeah, right now guys, we're going to be doing a 500k pack opening. So I've done some SBCs, as you can see. I just need oh god, why does it say so slow? Alright, so we're going to be opening 50k packs.
See the Regal Players packs.
Wow. Right, my brother is going to be doing a YouTube video in like a couple of minutes, I'm guessing. Yeah. So if you want to see that video, go and check his. It's what's YouTube channel? Ronnie O'Dowd. So go and check it out.
Yeah, I might be changing it.
So guys, pretty poor pack there. So next pack. No, not 50k pack, you man. Right, come on. Yes, blackboard out. Come on. Stop looking.
Who is that?
Yes, it's not new. It's messy.
No, not again.
It's messy.
No, can't be.
Oh, damn it.
Ha, Higuain.
No. Oh, Higuain, that's
Dybala.
Good. That's good. No, Dybala's can.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we just packed Higuain, which I'm really happy about.
So guys, I'm changing my name to Stephanie O'Dowd.
Come on. Oh, damn it. Alright, not great. Oh no, we already got Kimmich.
Oh, I only have 7.
Right guys, you might stick around for an SBC. Another blackboard. Come on. Be messy. Oh, it's not new either.
Not again.
I just packed Ronaldo, guys. And I've already got it.
Not again.
Yo, this pack opening though. Yo, we just packed 2 Ronaldos. Oh my god. Yo, I've only opened like flipping 250k. Right, come on. Oh, I thought it was gonna hit it. Thought it was gonna hit me with it. Who's this? Oh, not one of them crappy little bronzes. Board arts. Right, come on. Right, so guys, we have a couple of more packs to go, and then I'll see if I've got the players to do the Tolisso SBC. Alright, so not a very good pack. Right, moving on to the next pack. Come on. What's this? Oh. Mane, no. Koulibaly. So guys, we've just got Koulibaly, which is decent. So right, next pack. We're going to get... Oh, I thought it was going to... I've got 2 packs left.
Watch.
Oh, wait.
Hey.
Alright, so guys, that was my brother just talking to me for some reason. Come on. Oh. We're getting some good players. I've had Ronaldo, I can't believe it.
After your video.
And Higuain. This is mad.
How long have you got left?
Ronaldo and Higuain. Right. Last 50k pack. No! Guys, man. Oh, that's harsh. Alright, okay guys, so now what we're gonna... You do your YouTube video. Now guys, we're gonna go on to see if I can do the Tolisso SBC. So you go to... No, not France, I've already done that one. Bayern Munich. Alright, so as you can see guys, we need... Oh, we've already got them. Safe. Oh yeah, I could do this one, I forgot. Alright, okay, so guys, it looks like we can do this one. So yeah. League. Bundesliga, club, Bayern Munich, centre back. Oh no, not Bayern Munich. Centre back. Come on, load. There we go.
Hi guys, shut the fuck.
And then we go to left mid. So we've got Guerrero, which is not bad.
What's crop?
I think that was Bellarabi. Right, so guys, looks like we haven't done it, which is a bit weird. Let's go any.
What are you trying to get from me? I'll put it on your screen.
Move, man.
I don't even need no guarantee.
Shut up, man. Shut up, so annoying.
Yeah.
Yes, done it. What? Oh yeah, sugar. Oh, I don't think we can do this. Wait, put that guy in. Rudy. Here. Put Horn in. Yes! Done it. Right, guys, that's the Bayern Munich one completed. And we get 4 rare player packs and 50k. So we're going to open them after. Just going to check if I... So we're going to go to Leon. Oh, God. Come on, please. Please? No, damn it. Alright. So, guys, we are on to the final bit. So now we're going to open some more packs. So we've got 4 rare players pack. You know if I pack Messi or Ronaldo again. Come on, who's this? Alright, Dembele, I'm guessing. Yep. So not as... Right, come on. Oh, I thought it was going to hit me with another board. Who is this? Ah, Torre. Decent, I guess. So we're just looking for that Leon player. Guys, if I've missed it, leave a comment down below saying which player it was. And put brackets Stephen. Come on. Right, last pack. And then we're going to open a 50k pack with my coins. Oh, not getting too... Oh.
You deleted your dudes?
No.
You have 2 Ronaldo.
Yeah. Right, guys. This is the last pack. And then we're going to stop the video there. Okay? So... Oh, I thought it was going to hit with something big, man. Who's this? Iniesta. That's not bad, guys. Not bad. Oh, and Vertonghen, Morata, another burner, and Martial. Okay, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please smash a like, and peace.